Philadelphia real estate agents. Want to find out how you can find your buyers more houses to purchase in this market? Did you know an FHA 203K loan is a type of government-insured mortgage that allows your clients to finance the cost of repairs, improvements, or upgrades to a home as part of their mortgage? This means you can use the 203K loan to purchase a property and then finance the repairs or upgrades as part of the same loan. This is much cheaper than the alternative of going to a hard money lender that would charge the points and a high interest rate, requiring them to pay off the loan in 1 to 2 years by refinancing the property and incurring even additional costs on the refinance. This saves your client a lot of money. Your client can use this type of loan for anything from buying a fixer-upper that needs major renovation, or outdated properties that need upgrades, or those that need a little TLC. Think of how many more houses you can show your buyers in the neighborhoods they like when you have this option. Now, here are some houses that we have pictures of before and after using the 203K. Take a look.